Get ready to discover the surprising truth about lemon water that could transform your health and appearance in just 30 days. You've probably heard the buzz about this simple morning ritual, but what you're about to learn goes far beyond the typical weight loss claims. I was skeptical at first, always chasing the latest diet fads with little success. What happened to my body over those 30 days left me stunned. From heart health to kidney stone prevention, you'll learn why this citrus-infused elixir is capturing the attention of health experts worldwide. But, fair warning, the most astonishing benefits aren't the ones you've heard before. Stay tuned to uncover the real reason you should be drinking lemon water every single day. It just might change your life. In recent years, research on natural nutrition and body detoxification has increasingly highlighted the health benefits of drinking lemon water. But what exactly happens when you make this simple habit a part of your daily routine? Let's dive into the science behind this powerful drink and its impact on overall well-being. Lemons are one of nature's most potent sources of antioxidants. According to OTUM, World's Healthiest Foods, just a quarter cup of lemon juice provides 31% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, 3% of folate, essential for heart health, 2% of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system, while potassium is essential for heart health and muscle function. This makes lemons a natural powerhouse for overall wellness. Lemon water is extremely low in calories and helps keep the body hydrated, which is essential for metabolism. Studies suggest that proper hydration can enhance metabolic rate, assisting in weight management. Additionally, lemons contain pectin fiber, which may help promote satiety and reduce cravings, making it a great natural support for weight control. Can it help prevent kidney stones? Kidney stones are a common health issue affecting many people. According to UW Health, lemons contain citric acid, which can help reduce the risk of calcium-based kidney stones. In fact, just half a cup of lemon juice provides the same amount of citric acid as some prescription citrate supplements. Detoxification and cleansing effects. Lemon water is known for its ability to support the body's natural detox processes and improve liver function. Experts from the Edison Institute of Nutrition confirm that lemon's antioxidants help fight free radicals, protecting cells and promoting overall health. Additionally, in this video, we will explore 8 clear benefits of lemons in detail. Before we begin, please note that the information provided is sourced from publicly available references, which are linked in the description or comments. This content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or health routine. First, a fatty liver. It's time to part ways with lemon water. You probably already know this, but did you realize that drinking lemon water in the morning might help prevent fatty liver disease? Indeed, it is the case. It has been demonstrated that the phytonutrients found in lemon water may considerably reduce hepatic steatosis, which is a fancy name for the buildup of fat in the liver. How does it do its job? You can break down the fat in your liver with the aid of lemon water. The effect is comparable to that of a natural and gentle cleanser that works from the inside out. In only 2 weeks, you might observe a reduction of up to 50% in the amount of fat that is stored in your liver if you combine this with additional approaches like as a ketogenic or low-fat diet. You may speed up this process by adding lemon to your water, which will provide your liver with the boost it needs to perform at its level of excellence. 2. An alternative method for managing cholesterol. Okay, Let's move on to the topic of cholesterol. Although there are some positive aspects to it, having an excessive amount of it might be problematic, particularly if your liver and gallbladder are acting slowly. The lemon water comes to the rescue once more in this situation. Increasing the flow of bile. The passage of bile via your bile ducts is improved by drinking lemon water. You may think of bile as the natural detergent that your body produces. It assists in the breakdown and elimination of excess cholesterol. When you drink lemon water on a daily basis, you are basically providing your body's cleansing mechanism with an additional measure of strength. 3. Lemon water is the secret weapon when it comes to weight loss support. Despite the fact that lemon water is not a miracle weight reduction treatment, it can be an extremely helpful companion on your road to lose weight. In this manner, putting insulin in the picture. Recent research conducted on animals has demonstrated that specific phytonutrients found in lemon water have the ability to improve insulin resistance and blood sugar levels. Because high insulin levels can make it practically difficult for fat cells to shrink, regardless of how little food you consume. This is an extremely important point to keep in mind. By assisting in the reduction of insulin levels, lemon water provides indirect assistance for your attempts to lose weight. 4. A glass that holds the fountain of youth? Aren't we all want to maintain our youthfulness and vitality? It's possible that drinking water with lemon in it is the item that comes the closest to a fountain of youth. A scientific approach to anti-aging studies conducted on animals have demonstrated that drinking lemon water on a daily basis will lengthen one's longevity. The individuals in one trial survived an average of 3 weeks longer than they had before. Despite the fact that we are unable to directly apply this to human beings, the possibility is really fascinating. In addition, drinking lemon water is beneficial to your microbiome, which is the group of beneficial bacteria that live in your digestive tract and are essential to your general health and longevity. 5. The potential to fight cancer. By using, let there be no confusion. Drinking lemon water is not a treatment for cancer. On the other hand, research indicates that it could possess some inhibitory effects on cancer. Successes in the test tube. According to research conducted in test tubes, specific phytonutrients found in lemon water have the ability to eliminate cancer cells that are malignant in the tongue, lung, and colon. Despite the fact that further study is required, this is a promising indication of the possible health advantages of lemon water. 6. A citrus-based solution for the prevention of kidney stones. If you have ever experienced the discomfort of kidney stones, you are aware of how painful they can be. What is the good news? They might be avoided with the use of lemon water. Connecting citrates to citrates. To bond with oxalate, which is the most frequent component of kidney stones, citrate, which may be found in lemon juice, is present. The production of stones is prevented by this binding. Consider increasing the amount of lemon juice you consume on a daily basis to around half to 1 full cup if you have a history of kidney stones. 7. Vitamin C boost. Immune support in a glass is the 7th choice. We are all aware that vitamin C is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. However, were you aware that lemon water may be a good source of vitamin C? The best is fresh. It is imperative that you use fresh lemons in order to avail yourself of the vitamin C advantages. It is not sufficient to use lemon juice that has been pasteurized from a bottle, since heat destroys vitamin C. 1 glass of water with freshly squeezed lemon can deliver as much as 50% of the vitamin C that your body needs on a daily basis. The power of phytonutrients. Going beyond vitamin C. It's not simply vitamin C that makes lemon water so tasty. It has a wealth of phytonutrients, which are known to confer a variety of health advantages. From the head to the toes. A number of ailments, including hemorrhoids, leg sores, circulation problems, spider veins, and varicose veins, can be improved by the use of these phytonutrients. There is also research being done on naringenin, a phytonutrient, as a possible therapy for Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, lemon water possesses antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal qualities, which enable it to provide an additional boost to your immune system. Instructions on how to make lemon water a part of your everyday existence. Now that you are aware of all the wonderful advantages that came with drinking lemon water, you are probably thinking how you can include it into your daily routine. I have some advice for you. To begin your day, have a glass of warm water with lemon added to it. You can get your metabolism going in a terrific way by doing this. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or the juice of a whole lemon, should be added to your drink at regular intervals throughout the day. 3. For an additional boost to your health, you might want to think about mixing lemon water with apple cider vinegar. 4. If the flavor is too sour for your liking, try adding a little bit of honey or stevia to the mixture. Embrace the lifestyle of drinking lemon water if you want to. Well, there you have it, everyone. Lemon water has a multitude of health advantages, including the ability to reduce the risk of developing fatty liver disease and the possibility of prolonging one's longevity. This straightforward and all-natural remedy has the potential to facilitate weight loss, cleansing, and general well-being benefits. Keep in mind that although drinking lemon water is really healthy, it is not a miracle cure for everything. It is most effective when included into a lifestyle that is both healthy and balanced. To that end, why not give it a shot? You will be able to thank your body for it. Now go get some lemons and raise a glass to your health if you're feeling good.